Arkadaşlar, at this point, I would like to tell you one thing because we found something else and it looks like this is something else, right? We found like 2 over pi n in our BNs, and AMs were 0, and this was for odd sine waves. Okay, how can I relate this to this and that? So let me show you this in those terms. Okay, so what is Cn? It is like for plus and minus 1. Okay, that means C1 is equal to 1 over j pi. C minus 1 is equal to 1 over minus 1 over j pi. Okay, so instead of n, I put 1 here and minus 1 here. Okay, so now if I'm gonna write it like that, C1 times e to the power j 2 pi over t, this is one component. This is another component, c minus 1 e to the power minus j 2 pi over t. You remember the formulation was Cn e to the power j 2 pi over t, and n is from minus infinity to plus infinity, and this is my signal. Okay, this was like synthesis equation. So I put C1 here, instead of n, I put 1. So this is what I get. If I put minus 1 here, and then it will be minus 1. So I will have a 1 here. Okay. Now let us put these ones into our formulation. It will be like 1 over j pi e to the power j 2 pi over t plus or minus 1 over j pi e to the power minus 2 pi over t. Okay, and then what do I get? It's a 1 over pi e to the power j 2 pi t minus e to the power minus j 2 pi over t divided by j. Right? So what is this, arkadaşlar? This is like if I multiply 2 here and 2 here, this will be sine Euler's equation. This will be sine 2 pi t over t. Right? So finally, I would get 2 over pi times sine 2 pi t over t. So what did I get? 2 over pi n. So B1 is 2 over pi. So I will have 2 over pi here, sine this one, right? So if I have plus and minus to represent my sign here, okay? To represent my sign, I will get C1 plus this plus C minus 1 plus that, and then this will comprise a sine wave, okay? So if I have a real function, I can obtain Cn's as complex numbers, but really they are sines and cosines. It doesn't look like a sine and cosine in the first place, but you have to, if you are careful enough, you will see that this is really a sine signal if you have plus and minus ones here, plus and minus 3, plus and minus 5. So this will be like 2 over pi sine 2 pi t plus t plus 2 over 3 pi sine 2 pi. If I have like that, it will be like 2 over pi times sine 2 pi t plus 2 over 3 pi sine 2 pi 3t over t, and so on. Okay, so then I will have C0 and as my DC value, and it will be 1/2. Okay, I hope this is clear enough, and I will go to the next topic.